Right then, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own air conditioning unit out of only using 8 ingredients. First of all, you will need a beer, of course, a fan, an old soldering iron. You could use a screwdriver heated up on the cooker, but I haven't told you. A knife. You could use a big one, but carefully don't cut yourself. What else? Oh, could use scissors. We don't need them. We might do. Cable ties, because yeah. What else do we need? Oh yeah, a couple of these. Right, I did see on YouTube, but they use little bottles, so I thought I'd use 2 big ones. You never might work better. What else? I think that's it. Right, shall we start? Right, first of all, fan. Oh, can I just turn it on? And I'll point it towards the thermometer, which I pinched out the garden. Hence there's a screw in it. Oh, let me show you. Right, you can see, sorry about the noisy fan, can you see? It's showing 28 degrees and it's been in here bloody ages. Right, oh while I'm here, see this fan? How many of yous have got this actual fan? And how many of yous have put it together wrong? See that metal bit there? That's for hanging it up. How many of you have got it on the bottom? Yeah, I bet. Right, so let's begin. I'll just pop you back over here. I better plug this little baby in because it'll take a while to heat up. Shitty soldering iron, by the way, not a decent one. Yeah, put it on there. Right, so, having never done this before, get a bottle. This one's had Coke in it, this one's had water, but that doesn't matter, it's irrelevant. Start cutting away at the top. Oh, I'm gonna right, cut all the way round. I bet you use scissors. Just cut round to all the way round. I'm just start cutting around that side and catch up, yeah. All the way around without causing it to break. Sorry if you can see. Just about there. So this little bit flips over. So I'll do the other one. Right, knife. I am going to have an injury here, I'm sure, but we'll see. Right, so it's about there. 2 little flappy bits. Now, let me think. Oh, soldering iron. Oh, what is that? We need one of these, burn holes into it. Right, first of all, let's see what obviously make sure that you've got that going that way. You don't be pouring it in there and spraying shit everywhere. So yeah, I reckon about there. Right. Yeah, well, it's on there, right? So, is it hotting up yet? Oh, no. Is it even getting hot? Oh yeah, it is. What did I say? Right. It's going to be wonky donkey. It's not going to be professionally. Burn in there, you bastard. Sorry, it's taking a little bit of time. Is it even fucking working? Yeah, it's getting hot. Believe me, it does work. This is like, I've forgotten it again. About there, yeah. It will burn through. Oh, it's not having it. Right, hang on, I'm getting there. Maybe I'll come back in a minute and I'll show you what I've done. But yeah, the principle is you burn loads of oils in it, and I'll show you. I need to anyway. This is going to be a long... Maybe the fan's blowing it cold. Oh, here we go. Right, we're off. Right, so it's getting a bit warmer now. Little oil there. Oh, let's get rid. I want a proper oil. And one about there. It'll all come. The plan will come together. So that's going to be right there. Right. So I'm going to go to anything under there is easy going. Right, we've got to put, it's literally burn lots of oils. And I will try and speed this up if I can. But yeah, this is la 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 la. And this is why you need a can of beer, by the way. Right, getting the hang of this now. I'll tell you what I'll do to save a bit of time and messing about. Okay, I'll just do it with a one bottle, and then I'll show you the finished product later. I've got to do quite a few oils. It's going to be quite tedious watching, but if you stick with it, it'll be worth it, I promise you. Right, where's it? Like, yeah. You can see what I'm going with this. Right. Holes. Maybe I should just cut the bloody top bit off because it's doing my head in. No, I think that's there for retaining the coldness. Well, thermal mass. Right, it's getting good now. Isn't it? Right, a few more. I've got it. Yeah, right, I'm just here. I should have used something bigger, like, I don't know, something bigger. Just need lot. I'm going to lose the top soon, aren't I? It's going to snap off. I'll stick it back on there with hot glue. La 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 la. It's parrot just I don't know why I got that in my head. Right, there's a few oils, but I want to, I need to, because I'll do the thermometer test in a minute. I just need to emphasise that this will work. Yeah, just, fuck it. Everywhere. I've gone there. I've gone there. Oh, I just remembered an oil. One of the ingredients off the list on this. You'll need a bag of this. Party ice. It doesn't have to be party ice. It could be general ice out your freezer. You can, whatever you want. Whatever ice you like. I think I've got enough oil. Right, so I don't know if this is enough oil, but we'll give this a whirl, right? This is a... Right, check out that. It is a good idea that we need to do it with one bottle, because we're here forever. So unplug this. Okay. Yeah. Plug it in there. Oh. Right. First of all, before I start, we go back to the fan. I'm going to spin it round to the thermometer. Can you see it? It's still showing 28 degrees. I don't know if I can zoom in. Oh yeah, look. See, and this is in my bloody bedroom at 10 to 8 at night. Yeah, stupid hot, sweaty hot. Right, so pop you back up here. Click you in this time. Right, so what I'm going to do, the idea is I've got to hang this bottle here. Should be one here as well, but I better turn it off as well. Looking out, yeah. So I've got to somehow, this is where it's going to get awkward. Got to get that to there somehow. Oh, and this ain't going to fit. See what I mean? This bit ain't going to go through. It should be tied in there. I'm sure we can work it out. Put that in there. Curve it. What did I say about there? Okay, I'll do it there because that looks easier. Come on, bend you can. Oh, it's been awkward. Doesn't knife. Oh god. Oh, there you go. Pop straight in there that time. Oh, it's a bit high, isn't it? Yeah, it is a bit. Try again. Put it about here. Through there, it'll definitely go through. See, this is like watching paint dry. It'll be worth it. You can see I haven't done this before. Right, so halfway there. Pop that in there. And the other hole that I pre-cut earlier, not forgetting about the flappy lid. And I'll just put that cable tie here. Oh god, this is a nightmare. Somewhere we'll try and drag it out. I hope I don't break this fan, I've only just got it. Right, yeah, we're on. We're on. There we go. Cable tied. Scissors quite handy, but I've got something better. Whoa. We'll cut this bit of plastic off, this cable tie off. But have you worked out how it's going to work yet? Right, this is really loose. This bit is for emptying it when it'll run out, but like still at 28 degrees. Chunk of it. Right up. Right up. Oh, I hope it doesn't, not too heavy for the fan. And I need 2 bottles really to balance it. This is where I'm going to get it wrong. I'll tie some on there and hang it if we need to. Let's go for overload. Let's see, till the fan starts tilting, eh? Oh, I love it when a pan comes together. It's not coming together very well. I can't get this ice one frozen. I'm going to have to step aside and just stick it on the floor. That's it. Sorted. Let's not be greedy. Right, a little bit high, we don't want it coming. We've got to get it just below where the holes are. Because we don't want it blowing water everywhere. Right, I think we're okay to test it now. So let's spin it around gently. Turn it on. And just check on my face. I don't know. It's not doing it for me yet. I need to put more rolls, it's a trial run. But yeah. Yeah, it's a bit shit. I've knocked some more rolls in it while we're on. That might help. Where's my son? Let's point it at the thermometer. And let's have it there. And we'll let's see if it gets colder. Let's bring it closer. See, stick with me, you learn all sorts. I'll pull it off and show you closer. Oh, it's not. We'll see. We're going to melt some more rolls in it anyway. We'll put some more ice in it. But I'm convinced this will work. It has come down a little bit. Doesn't. I mean, this hand's wet, so it's definitely colder on that side. Let me like a bacon egg on that side. Right, let's give it a chance. Let's get it closer. Whoa up, fan's a bit wobbly. It might be shit, but you never know. Oh, I would rather have that blowing around my bedroom in the middle of the night than that. See, look. Right, we'll have to give that a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, I'll just have a little bit of this. Oh dear. It's not really coming down, to be honest. Oh. Definitely colder though, honestly. Oh yeah, I got my solder around, I've knocked some more rolls in it. Let's give it a proper. No, it's one of them again. Oh, the ice is cooling it down, that's where it is. Oh, here we go. Oh, I've got a better idea. No, that's a bad idea. That's good. I could definitely feel it's colder. So I think it's a good idea to add more rolls this side. And obviously the other side, you can suck it all through. Temperature is not coming down. Well, but honestly, believe me, it does work and it is working. Do you know what it is? I've just worked it out. And I bet you can see it and I can't. The ice is too low. Oh, bugger. Right. You have to tie up higher. We'll get there. Where can I put that? Oh, sorry, I had my back on you. This is going to be a problem. Pardon me. It's not exactly. Oh, we'll use this bit. See this bit here that I was on about earlier? Where all you people actually don't realise you go it the wrong way around. Ah, that's more like it. Oh, this is going to be back there. So you live and learn. Look, you learn with me. You learn by my mistakes. But think of it this way, you wouldn't have known if I... Well, you would have. It's on YouTube. But, right. Adjust accordingly. So, I want it about there, don't I, really? Really. It's... maybe. Maybe. Hope you can see it. Yeah. I keep trying not to swear as well for the children. I am giving it an unfair advantage actually, because I didn't realise at the beginning of my experiment it was on number 1, but I realised it was number 3. It does make a difference. I've burnt some holes in it while we're doing it now. I don't know why I'm worried about the ice cube dripping through. Right. Oh, I can hear it. Oh, it's singeing. Oh, look at that. That's what it's got for. It's made it go cold. I'm trying this out. Need some in the front really, but I don't really want to start poking through the fan. Oh, maybe I could somehow without. Let's do it. Yeah, this, I did say it'd be dodge. Oh, this is working a treat now. Back here. Bring you round. Right, I can't be going too long. I've got to spin that on. Come here. Do as you're told. Right, let's try it again. Oh, actually, it's gone back up. When I turned it off, it was at 28 degrees. Oh, hang on. It was 28 degrees, and this cooled it to 26 degrees. And it's gone back up to 28 while I was pissing about. Now watch. Watch and learn. Right. Oh yeah, get the right angle as well. Aim it at the ball. This experiment will work. Meanwhile, and what I could be doing in this time, I will show you, I won't lie. Do some more rolls, couldn't I, after this one? Two of them have got fucking work. Yeah, this is it's a different bottle, but I put it like that to keep it balanced. Put it there, from there to there. Anything in this one is. Ah, what I'm going to do this time, see, I've learned from this. I'm going to burn holes here and burn holes there, rather than it blowing up the sides now. Obviously, oh yeah, it's got to be this way. See,